Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Using technology to monitor water use and detect leaks, a company called Flume is doing just that with a sensor that is placed on a water meter and connects to a wireless bridge, which you then can monitor with an app. It also works with Amazon's Alexa. Installation is easy. CEO Eric Adler.
We just developed a sensor that wraps around the existing meter. So it's literally just a rubber strap and a sensor that goes on the side of the meter. From the box arriving at your door to getting it all set up takes about 10 to 15 minutes. There's no plumbing required. We have these all self-installed. There's no need for professional installation. And we ship them all over the country right now.
The $200 price can end up saving you much, much more. There's more info at Flume-Tech.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.